in the superiority of a public health care action that I think he has every reason to be frightened.
Now, after we first ran that clip for you last Friday, private insurers saw it and reportedly went to Democratic Senator Charles Schumer for help. He's now proposing a middle road, which he hopes will quell their fears. Congresswoman Schakowsky, who you just heard, joins us now for the latest on all this wrangling. Welcome to the show, Congresswoman.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we're having a little bit of audio trouble, so bear with us here. You're dropping in and out to me. So as our producers work on that, Congresswoman, so when people first heard this clip, we ran it on the Diamond District last Friday, and people were like, wow, so you're saying that you in fact do want the government to take control of health care in this country and drive out private insurers?
No, what I said is that I have confidence in the superiority of a public plan, but that's because over the years what we've seen is the private insurance industry, with its double-digit inflation in the cost of insurance every year, has really priced most Americans out of the market, or certainly millions and millions of them. And so I think we need the choice. It's about choice and competition, and I think that if the private health insurance industry wants to compete, that it's going to have to shape up. There's no question.